Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome back to another blog about my cement plant project. So right now in my site there is a steel binding work in progress, and after raft concreting we are doing the concreting work for starter. Okay, so what type of precaution we are taking if we are doing the steel binding work and providing a starter, I will tell you in this video. So let's start the video. So I move my first point, what type of precaution we take if we are doing steel binding work. So first we check the diameter, we follow as per drawing the diameter of the steel, proper specification we are following. You guys see my vertical bar is there. Right now we are binding the binder. Okay, before binding the binder, first we check both side cover is enough or not. For the wall we are giving the 60 cover both side. So after that start the binder, and during the binding we are checking the lap zone. We are not giving lap in same place, give the lap in alternate place. Okay, I move my second point. What if we are doing the starter, what type of precaution we take? So first, if we are doing the starter, first we check the concrete grade is same as the our foundation grade. Yeah, if what grade we are using at site, that grade we are following in starter. Okay, if in the raft we are using the M30 grade, but in the starter we are using the M30 grade. Before doing the starter, do the proper layout. Okay, after layout we provide the starter thickness is 100 after doing the starter, give the proper curing is most important.